Hello, this is Ümit, the owner of the company. My company name is ASA Agriculture and Dry and Healthy Foods. I use the Drytech heat pump and works really fine. We can produce mandarin without any caramelization and kept the color and the quality. It's wonderful, as you can see.